What's up, everybody? We are back with another new 2025 Matchbox 5-pack. Today we are gonna take a look at the Autobahn Express VI. Let's check out the packaging very quickly. As you can see, our cover picture here, and on the back side is, of course, the Mini Cooper S Cabrio in baby blue. Here on the side, you see we have 5 licensed models, which is pretty cool. And on top of that, we get 4 new versions, 4 new colors, and only 1 re-release. And yeah, by the way, I paid €6 for this 5-pack, which I think here in Germany is a pretty good deal. So let's slide out the models and put them on the turntable. Our first one is this guy here, the 2020 Audi TTRS Coupe in yellow. Very nice color in my opinion for this car, for this casting. Comes with these 5 spokes in gun metal gray. I get some details on the front, nice headlights. The grille is okay, I would say. We get some details on the back. Unfortunately, no license plate, but it is how it is. Put this guy into the parking lot and let me show you quickly the other versions of this casting that I have. This one, I think the blue one was the first version. Then we also saw it in this very nice green, and also in red, and the most recent version was this guy here in silver with this very interesting red interior. Let's put those guys to the side. I think I'm missing 2 versions, one in orange and a black version that was in a multi-pack, I think, multi-pack exclusive. So now next one is this guy here, the 1971 MGB GT Coupe in blue. So this one comes with these tri-spoke wheels, and what I personally like, this one has a chrome base. So we get a chrome front, chrome bumpers, also on the back, and also some details and a license plate that is pretty nice. And this is a very good example, in my opinion, how good looking these models are with these chrome bases, or let's say the chrome details. You can do also a chrome interior with the same effect, but we've also seen this version here in a color somewhere between orange and yellow. And as you can see, this guy here has this gray plastic base, and I think by far the better version is the one with the chrome bumper. There are 2 versions that I'm missing, I think in green and red, if I'm correctly. But from this casting, I do have a premium version from, I think this was from last year, 70 years special edition, when they brought out all these models in yeah, this color scheme, this flat silver, gray, whatever. And yeah, with details in orange, white, and black. Very nice looking. I also like the card art. That's why this one is still in the packaging. So now we go on with our third model, which is the 2010 Mini Cooper S Cabrio in baby blue. Comes with chrome 5 spokes. Unfortunately, no license plate, but yeah, some details for the taillights and some headlights and a grille and the mini badge on the front. I think there are a lot of versions of this casting. I only have one that is not in the packaging. I think this one was from last year. And the other version is this one here. Last year they brought out this very nice Mini Cooper set Unfortunately, I didn't get all of them. I'm still missing 2 of these minis, which is unfortunate. But maybe I'll find them someday. Anyways, let's put this to the side as we take a look at our third model, which is the 2018 Bentley Bentiger in black. So now, yeah, I think this is not the best casting from Matchbox, but we get some nice details on the front, Bentley license plate. Some details on the back. So the thing is, this casting doesn't have an interior. I'm not really sure why they are doing this. Normally, you know, these, say, premium brands are insisting that they bring out a very good version of their car as a Matchbox model, but I don't know why they did this. Anyways, once again, no interior. These are the 2 other versions that I have in white and in red. There's one version missing, which is in blue. It's a debut version, I think. So, into the parking lot it goes, and our last model is this guy here, the BMW M5 in police livery. So very nice that we have some details on the front. This is pretty well done. We got a Polizei license plate. Very nice. Also some Polizei deco on the side. Unfortunately, nothing on the back. This is a re-release, I think, from a few years ago. First, I thought it was the same one as this guy here, but obviously you can see these 2 are very different. This one has the Polizei logo on the hood, no details on the front, and of course different wheels. I only have one other version, or let's say one other basic version. I'm not really sure if this is from Australia or maybe Great Britain police, I don't know. And yeah, here you can see how good these models can look with premium treatment deco all over our model. So I bought this last year. You know, I'm not buying too many of these Matchbox, yeah, premium or collector cars because they don't come with a metal base, or let's say most of them, unfortunately, don't come with a metal base. And yeah, here this one, yeah, these are rubber tires, I think. I mean, the deco is pretty nice on this one. I don't really get why they did this black painting around the headlights, but the back looks pretty good. The front, yeah, I don't know what that black stuff is. But anyways, let's put this to the side, and yeah, with that we are done with our unboxing of the Autobahn Express VI. Here are our 5 models. As always, I'm picking a favorite, and yeah, it's the Audi TTRS Coupe. I think the yellow. Okay, it doesn't focus. Yes, the yellow is a pretty good color for this casting. And with that said, thanks for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time. Bye.